Find the value of n. Sigma notation, n is on top, I, that is n, I equals to 1. 3i minus 5 equals to 3,430. So let's firstly find the terms in this series. That will be fine, and so on and so on. Then for term number 1, 3 into minus 5. Then for the second term, 3 into 2 minus 5. Third term, 3 into 3 minus 5. Get the logic. 1, 2, 3. Term 1, term 2, term 3. Then this is negative 2 plus this is positive 1, this is positive 4. And then it looks like this is an arithmetic series because it has a common difference of 3. Yes. So what do we given from the question? We're given Sn. The sum of this series is 3,430. And then in n, this is what we're calculating. We don't know what n is, but a is the first term. The first term of the series is negative 2. A is T1. And then the common difference, 3. So the formula for Sn is given by n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, then n, the number of terms we do. Okay, Sn is 3,430, sorry. Then n, we don't know what n is. 2a, we know a is negative 2. We don't know what n is. Then the difference is 3. Then multiply both sides by 2 to simplify this. Or first, let's simplify the brackets first. 3,430 equals to n over 2. In bracket 2 times negative 2, this is negative 4, plus n times 3, and negative 1 times 3, negative 3. The 3,430 is still on the left hand side. N over 2, negative 4, negative 3, that is negative 7. So we have 3n, negative 7 inside the bracket. Okay, then now we can multiply both sides by 2. 3,430 multiplied by 2. So that we can cancel out the 2 from the right hand side. Over 2, 3n minus 7. Multiply, then 2 goes away, then we're left with, and the left is a 3,430 multiplied by 2, that is 6,860 equals to n in bracket 3n minus 7. Then you can simplify the right hand side. 3n squared, n times 3n, that is 3n squared. Negative 7 times negative 7n. Let's take this thing to the right hand side. 0 equals to 3n squared minus 7n. This is positive on the left hand side, so it comes with it is positive on this other side, then it comes to the right hand side, then it becomes negative 680. Yes. Then this is a quadratic equation. We can use the I don't think they are factors here. Or even if they are factors, so it wouldn't be easy. This is a big number, so just use the quadratic equation. N equals to negative b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac, everything over 2a. Then a, that is the coefficient of the squared, that's a. Then b, the coefficient of n, negative 7. C is the constant term, negative 6,860. Then let us plug in the formula. N equals to negative 7 for b. B is negative 7 plus minus square root of negative 7 squared minus 4. A is 3. C is negative 6. 860. So A is 3. Then press down your calculators and see what we get. Okay, from your calculator, this is 49. So I used the plus. I firstly punched my calculator with the positive one first. Then you press down the calculator with the other side, the negative side, and see. But this already looks right. Then if we were to put the negative one, yeah, it gives a negative answer. That is not so. Therefore, n equals to 49. Thanks. Then we'll do another example.